Hi guys, today we are going to be introducing a couple new terms, them being degree and leading coefficients, and specifically we're going to be talking about these things with polynomials. We know that this guy right here is a polynomial because we have many terms inside. In fact, we have 4 different terms inside, and we see that all of them do have this variable u. Well, almost all of them have the variable u associated with it, but today we're going to be learning about what the degree and the leading coefficient is. I'm going to go ahead and write out the definition of the degree, and then we'll talk about it. So the degree is the exponent of the term with the largest exponent. And I'm just going to go ahead and abbreviate that. So our degree, the exponent of the term with the largest exponent. So let's talk about our polynomial right here. We have negative 7u minus 18u to the fourth plus 10 minus 9u squared. So the term with the largest exponent is right here, this negative 18u to the fourth power. Therefore, that means that our degree is going to be 4. This right here, our degree is equal to 4, okay? And next up, we're going to talk about the leading coefficient. I'm going to write out this definition as well. The leading coefficient is the number, again, doing some abbreviations in there, the number multiplied by the term with the largest exponent. Okay? So first up, we talked about our degree, and now we are talking about our leading coefficient. So our degree, we know, is written in blue, that's equal to 4. And now let's go ahead and talk about our leading coefficient. Really, when we're talking about the degree and leading coefficient, we are only talking about this single term right here. The rest of this stuff is irrelevant when we are talking about degrees and leading coefficients, okay? Irrelevant. So our leading coefficient is the number multiplied by the term with the largest exponent. Therefore, negative 18, that coefficient sitting in front of u to the fourth, our leading coefficient is equal to negative 18. Our degree is 4, and our leading coefficient is negative 18. Let's go ahead and write out one more polynomial just so that we are super crystal clear on what it is. We have this time negative 20 plus 8 u to the third minus 3 u squared minus 23u. Okay, so first up, our degree, remember we're looking for that term with the largest exponent here. We don't have a variable associated with our negative 20, so we know that our exponent there is 0. The exponent here is 3. We got an exponent of 2, and that invisible exponent of 1. So we know that the degree of this polynomial is going to be 3. That is the largest exponent in that entire polynomial. Next up, we're going to talk about our leading coefficient. And remember, the leading coefficient is just that number sitting in front. And that number sitting right in front is an 8. Super simple, we just have to remember what those definitions are. Please make sure that those definitions are written down in your notebooks. You guys will use them in future lessons. Really important to keep this stuff in the back of your mind. Thanks so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.